The iDock controller improves the human interface with the loading dock and its equipment. In addition to providing clear communication and ease of use, the iDock controller is capable of self-diagnostics and providing valuable analytics of loading dock activity. 3 new optional sensors allow the iDock to monitor reservoir fluid levels, forklift activity, and vehicle presence. In combination with the other sensors that Systems offers, the iDock can create a comprehensive report of loading dock activity. Several sensor kits are available to add these new sensors to your iDock controller. If you're interested in adding the sensors to new or existing equipment, you can easily verify if your equipment is compatible with the sensors. The iDock controller requires an expansion board and software that is configured for the sensors before it can receive sensor data. To verify the equipment configuration, we need to access the main menu by pushing Menu, scrolling down to System Information and pushing Enter, and scrolling through the list until we find the expansion board. If you see expansion board in the list, this means that the control box is equipped with an expansion board. And the next step is to verify if the inputs on the expansion board are ready to accept the sensors. Push the Enter button to scroll through the inputs on the expansion board. If you see a description under a given input, it indicates that the expansion board input is configured to accept a sensor. There are 4 inputs that are available for sensors: input 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 of our inputs have descriptions indicating that they are ready to accept a given sensor. If you see a description of none, this means that the input is not yet configured. If you access the System Information menu and are unable to locate expansion board in the list of the system information, then your original equipment is likely not equipped with an expansion board and is not configured for the sensors. If you have questions about your equipment or want to know how you can add the sensors to your iDock, call the number below to speak with a Systems representative. We can advise on the correct sensors for your application and the materials required to add them to your controller. Translucent or plastic style reservoirs will use this kit. The kit includes the sensor, a mounting bracket, and instructions to mount and wire the unit for ease of installation. Dock levelers with aluminum or cookpot style reservoirs will use this kit. The kit will include a new reservoir with a threaded opening to accept the fluid sensor. The kit includes all components needed to install and seal the reservoir and sensor. Forklift activity sensors can improve the safety and efficiency of your dock space. The sensors are offered in a variety of kits depending on the installation preference and operating environment. The sensors are offered in standard and washdown configurations and can be mounted on angle brackets or using track guards. Track guards are a useful optional addition to protecting overhead door tracks and also safely housing the sensing devices typically mounted near the door track. The optional track guards include mounting holes for entrapment protection devices and forklift activity sensors. The vehicle presence sensor mounts on the exterior wall and communicates when a vehicle is present at the loading dock. This information is useful when tracking the arrival and departure times of a transport vehicle. The vehicle presence sensor uses time-of-flight technology and features an adjustable range to account for various types of transport vehicles. For example, a flatbed versus an enclosed trailer. The kit includes the sensor, a mounting bracket, and a 10-meter cable for easy connection to the iDock. The bracket is designed to span the projection of a dock seal or shelter as shown in this installation. Together, these sensors can help to increase productivity, decrease operating costs, and improve the safety and security of your facility. The data that the sensors gather is stored in the Counters section of the main menu. To view the data the iDock has collected, we need to enter the main menu by pushing Menu, then scrolling down to Counters. In this section, we will see useful information about preventative maintenance, equipment cycles, diagnostics, and also the counts that our new sensors have recorded. In addition to viewing the data at the controller, Systems is proud to announce Idoc Connect. Idoc Connect is an online software designed to provide valuable analytics of your loading dock activity. Idoc Connect allows users to view the activity and efficiency of their loading dock with information sent from the iDock controller to the cloud. To learn more about Idoc Connect, view the link below. If you have questions about the iDock, its sensors, or want to learn more about Idoc Connect, please call the number below to speak with a Systems representative. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.